In today's automotive world, transforming raw data into practical, actionable insights is critical. At X-Cube Labs, we partnered with an automotive group to turn their disconnected data into a powerful engine for smarter, faster decision-making. The client's multiple software tools, like DMS and CRM, weren't talking to each other. This created fragmented data, manual workarounds, and no real-time insights, limiting their ability to make fast, informed decisions. We built a unified data lake that consolidates data from every system into one secure, scalable hub. With ETL/ELT pipelines, data from DMS, CRM, and beyond now flows seamlessly into a single source of truth. We harnessed React.js for a clean, intuitive front end, Node.js for robust back-end processing, and AWS for secure, scalable cloud infrastructure. On top of that, Power BI dashboards turned complex data into clear, actionable visuals. Today, the client has real-time data ingestion and processing, giving them up-to-date information whenever they need it. Our BI dashboard delivers unified, real-time reports, while data governance, encryption, and access controls ensure security and compliance every step of the way. By turning scattered data into a single, reliable source of insights, X-Cube Labs empowers automotive groups to make smarter decisions faster. Let's explore how your data can fuel the right inferences and greater success. Get in touch today.